As we wrap up our immersion phase of our 2024 cohort of the Craftsmanship Academy, I want to take some time to reflect on the progress that this cohort has made. They started with some foundational knowledge in programming and tools and technology, but over the last couple of months have grown and are now set up to launch their careers in software through our apprenticeship program at Role Model. Each week, the assignment that we give our participants stretches them just a little bit, while also giving them the tools and techniques that they need to be able to deliver on those assignments from our professional experience in the world of software. Our immersion phase is also scaled. We start with foundational tools and techniques that they need to learn, as well as build the habits that will serve them throughout their careers. Then each week we build on those concepts, often resolving some of the things that were hard in early weeks by giving them tools and frameworks that solve those forces. But by going through this process, they build the understanding and knowledge needed to be able to debug and deliver great software for years to come.
Probably the biggest highlight was today. Being able to have a finished product that I'm proud of and getting to show it off. That was a lot of fun.
Highlight has, honestly, it's been working with other programmers that are at a similar level as me, so we can all, learn and grow together and help each other out and be just as frustrated at the same time. It's been great to have that camaraderie.
Highlight for me, the Academy was definitely the final project, I'd say. It was super exciting to do because we kind of combined everything that we had in the past. And using Rails, we used things that we were supposed to use, and also seeing the front end to be there and actually looking good and stuff. And at the end, we were able to deploy it, which was great because yesterday I played a game with my dad and my brother, so that was super fun. They were able to see what I've been working on.
That I could actually do a lot of the things I was assigned with. My buddy who introduced me to this talked it up like it was a nightmare of just intensely difficult and impossible scenarios. So getting here and knowing that I actually could do the things, granted with some help, but that I could do them, was a very pleasant surprise.
What surprised me most, probably just the amount of things that I've learned and how much I feel like I've grown in a relatively small amount of time.
Being able to learn from a software company's perspective, from employees that work here, was absolutely good for my knowledge in general.
Similar to how a dark chasm compares to a beautiful orchard, well, other way around. Because this was fantastic. I've learned so much. It feels like I've been doing this for years now, even though it's only been 2 months. And the previous semester of school that I had for it, I learned nearly nothing, it feels like, in comparison. So this was a much better process.
When I was done with the boot camp and did everything there, which it was part-time, so we met in calls I think 3 times a week. But most of it was self-guided learning. When I was done with that, it was very much okay, what now? I guess I'll go apply to some jobs. But after this, I'm ready.
Definitely be prepared for a time commitment. Don't be afraid to ask questions and to really collaborate with your team members. I had a temptation to do things by myself most of the time, trying to really learn or just, be like, yeah, I could do this by myself. And anytime that I did that, it usually would hurt because the value in collaboration far outweighs doing it by yourself. So,
it definitely will be challenging. But it is absolutely worth it. I would do this again in a heartbeat. Your instructors, their goal is to help you succeed. So as long as you put in the work and the effort, you will succeed.
Just be courageous and just keep in mind and think that you can handle them, and ask for help and talk to people that you find important in your life. As for, I don't know, just have a talk with them, tell them how you're feeling, and I don't know, you got it. Just gotta keep thinking that way and do your best.
One of my favorite aspects of my work here at Role Model is facilitating the Craftsmanship Academy each year. Seeing the growth of a set of apprentices from foundational learning to ready to contribute on projects is hugely rewarding and core to who we are as an organization in developing leaders and launching careers. If you're interested and if you might be a fit for the Craftsmanship Academy, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk with you and give you resources to help you prepare for your cohort in a future year.